youngest because it's a boy that is by the age of 3 years. It's a chapter now. So he will pass that. Okay, now the process for the activity is over. Then I will get to the stage here. 3 months once, we take all their samples and we send to the lab checking to make sure all of them are free from anything. That's why you not to worry, not to scared, to get close, to ride, to touch, even your mouth open, you can touch. They are all of them.
Okay, this is Lanchang Pahang. Okay, Lanchang Pahang is 37 years old, female elephant, and you brought him from Myanmar. Okay, for your information, Lanchang Pahang will be used and will be with you for the bedding activities. Okay, right now let us see how Mahut will get up on the elephant by using the trunk. Come on, Triang. Okay, ready to give a clap to Triang. I want her to start mine. And this is a welcome from Triang to all of you to come to Kuala Gandah. Thank you, Triang. Okay, next to Triang we have the oldest elephant over here. 73 years old, Loki Mala with the Mahut, Mr. Zaidi.
73 years old, is it?
Yeah, 73. Okay, this is the Loki Mala. 73 years old, female elephant, and we brought him from Assam, India. Since 1974 as a working elephant, but now we decided Loki Mala because she is now partially blind. Okay, right now let us see second way how the Mahut will get up on Loki Mala by using the leg. Okay, give a clap to Mr. Zaidi and Loki Mala. Thank you, Loki Mala.
Why keep dancing?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, two.
Maybe they want also lying down.
Okay, give a clap to Timor and Mahut. Okay, before we start feeding activities, one of our staff partner will show you the way how to feed the elephant.
되게 맛있게 넣어서
And for riding activities, we do not provide any basket or blanket to cover on and only for experience. So while riding, okay, before we start our activities, I would like to introduce to all of you each elephant in front of you. Okay, the first elephant I would like to call Mawar with the Mahut. Mr. Hafizai.
Come.
Okay, this is Mawar, the cute elephant with a handsome Mahut. Mawar is 11 years old, female elephant. Okay, maybe in this tiny afternoon, I will have something to show to all of you.
Put little. Don't put so much.
This one is better. He likes to hook up his trunk. His feeding style is better.
Okay, I want to focus.
Okay,
Oh, yes. Got it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to make any contribution or any donation for the elephant, you can come straightly to our registration counter.
这个你好做不啦？那这个你做好吧？我需要走一下。我叫爸爸急，2个星期。